beetroot, yellow beetroot.
Yellow beetroot, celery, long radish. No， 这个不是 radish。这个是什么 ？Celery root。这个是 carrot, and we are going to make a soup in here. So this is the beef, a little bit, a lot of white, a little bit marbly, and this is bouquet garnier with bouquet garni and thyme, 大葱 onion， 这个是 parsley， romarin， yeah, this is all I can. Oregano, there must be oregano.
Okay,
rosemary. 萝卜 radish, beetroot, carrot, and this one is celery root and ginger and celery. All the winter vegetables. And garlic. So we turn to broil, and so this way we'll get the meat a little bit pre-treated and heat it up. The oil comes out, some of the raw flavors comes out, and then we will start to boil it. It's a soup, so it's not roasted beef, and this beef is not so tender for roasting, so it's good for soup. It has a lot of bone. Now it's heating up. You turn on the light, you can see it is starting to heat up. You can hear the ventilation sound. So now we will cut vegetables. There is onion, there is potato rough cut. Do not cut it too small. Every time in my family there is a debate how big we cut it, and I like to cut it only half or a quarter like this, and it is 1/5. So, well, I cannot say. Cut it large so that it has more crunchy texture, and make your soup relatively cleaner. Okay, so here the temperature is raising up to 162. Wait, keep on waiting. Put some oil so that the bottom is a little bit smooth. I am on the way. Salt, pepper, no salt, salt. Hello. Turn it around the other side. Voila. Perfect. Okay. Hello. Okay. So there is bone marrow. There is big bone, chunky bone. So the soup is quite delicious, and it is quite fat. So this is why you need to roast it. The fat will come out, and you boil it. The fat will keep on coming out, and cool it down. Scrape away the fat, the layer of white. Yeah. Good. is careful. 4 sides, every size need to be touched. This is equality. Liberty, equality, and fraternity. Okay, we are all good. Now we get ready. He keeps on flipping it around to make every part touch some oil, touch all these. Okay, now we get ready until it is hot enough. Okay, now it's reaching 461 degree. Our ideal temperature is 500 degree, but this is a high-end cooking. I never do it according to the rule, so it will eventually raise up to 500. I know it, so not to be too serious. Cooking is about, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so it will take 几分钟? Something like 10 minutes, just to get the fat out. And in 10 minutes, we'll turn it over. And that's it. Whoa, look at it. So this is only 5 minutes later. And wow, see that one. Turn it around, another 5 minutes. Okay, so this is 5 minutes, another 5 minutes later, and we put into maximum broil. And yeah, so that's about it. You just want to brown a little bit and caramelize a little bit of the meat. Now we can start taking it out. A little bit of oil, just you can see, just smooth the bottom.
这个不用搞，
不要搞，
不用搞。
这样好。Onion first, the flavor stuff first, and then vegetable, and the very last you put oregano. Okay, perfect. 好极了。Now we will put in meat and cold water. Let's see. Oh, 快没地儿了呀，正好，哈哈，啊，正好。Perfect。那个菜一会儿就会软起来。好极了。So you use slow fire to let it just simmer a little bit. The flavor of vegetable will come out. Time to say hello. Hello. big sea salt, and then cold water. And he didn't use cold water. It's okay. You use whatever water you have and fill it almost to the edge, and later on it will bubble. It may get out, so make sure the water, the juice does not come out, and cook it in slow fire for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours, and that's it. We change into a smaller fire. Good. Yes, just let it cook slowly. All the flavor will come out. See you later, alligator. So this is around 10 minutes later. You can see there is a lot of foam on it. You can skip it out to make it just a cleaner soup. And if you are in a rush, or if you are not in the mood of skipping it out, it's skimming it off, it's absolutely okay. So let's make it clean and nice. Skimming it off. Voila. Okay, hello dear friends. So this is 1 hour later. Now let's have a sneak peek. So this is the soup, and just to keep on cooking. We are at home, but we do not need to be at the side, and we use very, very, very slow fire. So as we know that when we do cooking, when we put the fire very strong, the meat becomes tense because the fire is tense. The energy, the total energy is very intensified. And when you put slow fire, so slow that you almost do not see it boiling, this is when the meat gets relaxed, the vegetable get relaxed, and it becomes really very, very soft, easy to eat. This is not expensive meat. So the good expensive meat we will not cook this way, right? We do not want to cook it so much. But this is less expensive. We want to get the taste from the bone, from the meat, everything coming out. And when it is cooling down, put into refrigerator or put it just in a cool temperature. The fat on top will become hardened. Take it out. Okay, so we are almost there. So you can see the vegetable is all very, very extremely soft, and you can use chopstick or use anything to touch the meat. It will fall off the bone. And those are the oil taking out, and that's about it. If you like, you can still take out some oil. Bon appetito! 先放菜，然后肉放在上面。你要放一些 fresh 新鲜的。对了。
是 herb。
对了。我刚才放的是西兰花、香菜。我也有一块儿，这个好吃。啊啦啦！ it. Parsley. 好了。
有点 full of the bone.